Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be the last video for the year. Meanwhile, I would have uploaded another one, how to add light effects to pictures, something like that, but I'm uploading only 2 videos for this year, that is for the ending of the year. If you're new here, this is Harvard Designs. I create designs and show you how to do it, and so that you can replicate it and do it in your own leisure time. We're going to be creating this design, as you can see right here, and it's not really hard to create and all that. So if you're new here, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Now, without wasting much of our time, let us start this video tutorial. Resolution should be 300. So 1080 and 1200 pixels. So we have it. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is to get our background. This is the background we're going to use for this. So you take it down here and bam, it's inside this. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is to increase the size of this image. Make sure that it fits properly to the image size or the image canvas that we are using. So place it here. Alright, so after that, the next thing we're going to do is to get the necessary resources that we would use. So remember that we already have them here, so I'm just going to be like transferring the necessary ones back to where we have it. So we are going to be using this crossover text effect right here. So I'm going to take it to the second image that we have, and then after that I'm also going to get this image and take it to where we have this, and then after that I will then create a background manipulation around here, so that this text effect can be showing very well. Do you understand? So let me do that right now. So for me to do that, I'll click on my background. After clicking on my background, I would click on add layer mask, click on my brush tool, and then change this color palette to a darker shade of the red. So we're going to be using a complementary color here. You're going to see what I'm going to do right here. So I'm then going to place this. I'm going to brush this up so that this text effect can show very, very, very well. Can you see that? Can you see that it's coming to life? Alright, good. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is to it's still cleaning up. Let me alright, cool. Now the next thing we're going to do is to increase this text effect, increase the size very well. Alright, my laptop is having some issues. So click on Ctrl T and then increase the size of this image. Can you see that? So keep increasing the size, and then after that we would click on our check mark. Then we want to get the logo for this church flyer. So I would click on the second image and then bam, place it on this background that we have. Can you see that? So I'll increase the size a little bit. Can you see? So our design can you see that our design is actually coming up now? It's really coming up very, very, very well. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to increase this image too. I'm going to increase the image size. I'm going to increase the image size just like so. So we are already done with this design. For me, it's just to add those text and shapes which are not really necessary in this tutorial, but I'm going to just add it so that you guys will see how it is. So let me add it. So I would head over. Okay, let me just copy everything. I just need to copy everything. So I need to lock the things that I don't need here. I need to lock all these things that I don't need. I can, it's easier for me to copy all these things. So I will then copy the text. Alright, so I'll copy them and then I'll drag it to the second image that we have. Kappa. So can you see? Then I'll click on Ctrl T and increase the size for this image. Can you see that? Increase the size of this text, sorry. And yeah, we are done with this design. It's a very simple design. So this is just how you can create this type of design here using your Photoshop. Can you see that we have done a lot here, from the photo manipulation and so many things. So if you then want to like edit image, it's very simple to edit. So you head over to your filter and click on camera raw filter. From there you have the contrast, you have your brightness, you have your sharpening, the haze. Let me just edit something for you guys right now so that you see what I mean. And that also applies to you editing your design in total. Understand? So I'll click on highlights, increase it to 9, and then the clarity I'll increase it to 5, and then I'll take the sharpening, that is detail, I'll increase the sharpening to 18, and noise reduction. Make sure you always reduce your noise reduction so that the sharpening will not be too much on it. That's just basically it here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to, I think that's just basically it right here. So for you to edit the image or the design, you just click on you just select your layers, the text layers and the picture layers that you have here. Click on the left 2 and then shift, and then after that you would, let me repeat that. Then you right click and click on merge layers. Then from there you can also repeat the process, head over to your filter, camera raw filter, and then edit it. So that's just basically how to do this. This is how to create this type of design using Photoshop. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial, and that will be January. Do have a great time, do have a great, everything that you wish for. I'll see you in the next tutorial.